Who are you?
Your son.
And your name is?
Milo Roselle.
How do I know you're really my son?
Ask my mother.
Okay, so I'm going to show you something. I
Yeah.
think you've already seen it.
Oh, that?
Yeah. Have you seen pictures of this before?
Yeah.
What is it?
Google Home.
Have you seen this picture?
Yes.
Actually, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't, because this doesn't have the stuff in the background.
Oh.
Ready?
Hmm?
That's the one with the stuff in the background.
Oh.
See the difference?
Yeah.
What do you see in the background?
Books, pens, mug, whatever that is.
That's a notebook.
Oh.
But which picture do you like better? This one? Or that one?
First one.
Oh, the first one? Why do you like this one better?
And I saw the stuff in the background. It was like distracting my view from this.
Oh. So, should you see how these have some kind of effects to it?
Yeah.
Should I put those effects? Oh, this one has the effects. Ready? Oh, a little bit dark.
It's dirty.
Oh, you know what I did? I copied the wrong things here. Let's take off. There are spot removal. So I copied those settings.
Mm-hmm.
And I pasted those settings. What do you think of that?
Right there.
You want me to get rid of it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, does it look okay as far as how light or dark it is?
It looks better, but like a tiny bit, lighter.
It looks lighter? You want it to be lighter, or you?
Yeah, I want it to be lighter.
Okay. Here, I got rid of most of the.
Oh no, it doesn't even look like that. There's dirt on it.
Okay, so tell me when to stop.
No.
So you like that better?
Yep.
So you think this is a better picture than this one?
Yeah.
Why?
It's like, again, like I keep on focusing on this, but not this.
Even though it's blurry.
Even though it's blurry.
Okay.
What is this?
What is this? This is what you call a histogram.
Histogram?
So you can imagine the left side of this is dark and the right side of this represents all the light colors. So if we want to make the light colors even lighter, I click and I drag and see how it brings up the lightness. You can bring the dark areas brighter, but I kind of like it better when it is darker. So between dark and light is
Color?
medium.
Light.
So we can bring the medium. Ooh, that's too much. Medium up. So look now that we've kind of brought the colors in. Oh wait, one more thing. Look at this picture.
Oh!
What is that?
I forgot what it's called, but I always hold it in front of pictures.
It's called a gray card. Do you know why you hold it in front of pictures?
So you can Photoshop it.
Well, that's true, but see how the colors are kind of like, it wasn't like this in real life. So what we want to do is we want to know what were the colors like in real life. So watch, I can hit this eyedropper or I can hit the letter W and then whoop. Believe it or not, there was a slight change in the way the color is represented. So let's copy the white balance settings and go back here to the picture that you like. And watch, I'm going to paste the white balance settings. So did you see how it got to be just a little bit less yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like that better?
Yeah.
Are we done?
Maybe not.
What else do you want to change with it?
The green.
Oh, you want to do the green thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's open this up in Photoshop.
Photoshop.
You like Photoshop? Do you know how to use it?
No. You see YouTubers use.
So what do you think people use Photoshop for?
Clickbaity thumbnails?
So do you want to make clickbaity thumbnails?
No.
we'll make a new layer. We'll call this layer color. Sounds good, right?
Okay.
So let's zoom in to this area. And then, what color did you want?
The green. Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Like really bright.
Yeah, right.
Right, so then let's, oh, that is like almost perfect.
Wait, I don't even see it. Oh, oh.
Does it look real?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now zoom out and it's,
You want to zoom out?
yeah.
Does that look real?
Yeah.
I want to add one more thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to add that little highlight that you see there. Okay. So look, I'm gonna duplicate this background, and then I'm gonna create something called a mask.
Okay.
And that's gonna let us make this selection. It fits perfectly, right?
So you can do like search Control H to make your color inverted.
I could. It would be Command I to make the color inverted.
Oh, really?
Yep. But look, it has that highlight now.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So zoom out.
That looks good.
Yeah. What if you zoom in? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's save it.
Save.
And then now, when it loads, there you go. You happy?
Yeah.
Good job.